Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a little Jaguarundi named Jax. Jax was small and slender, with a coat that shone like the sun. He was known to be kind and friendly, always helping the forest animals. One day, Jax found a lost baby bird. He carefully picked up the tiny creature, its feathers ruffling gently in his paws. He carried the bird back to its nest, helping it find its mama. The grateful mama bird thanked Jax, and the rest of the forest animals praised him for his kindness. Jax smiled, happy to have helped. But what he didn't know was that the forest was in trouble. A giant storm was coming, and the animals needed help. Jax, with his quick speed and agility, knew just what to do. He helped the animals find shelter, moving them to safe places before the storm hit. When the storm passed, the forest was safe, and the animals were grateful. Jax had saved the day, and the forest knew they could always count on him. From that day on, Jax was the bravest and kindest Jaguarundi in the forest, always looking out for his friends. As the sun set, Jax curled up by a warm fire, content and happy. He closed his eyes, knowing that he had made a difference in the world. And so, the little Jaguarundi, with his kind heart and brave spirit, continued to protect and care for the forest, teaching everyone the importance of kindness and bravery. The end.